Rain! What? Rain. Quick, Bumper, we gotta use the balloons. Yeah. Oh, hey, little elf. What? Maybe we could pop the balloons. Well, sure, Bumper. We could pop the balloons. Count with me. 3, 2, and 1. Whee! The rain didn't come to the village. Yes, we finally did it. We escaped from the rain. And now Monsieur the Orc and the Golden King. Yes, little elf. I know you like the stories, eh? Are you ready for another story? Owl, maybe we survived through the rain. Wow, that is a nice thing, little elf. And yeah, I know, right? I am a little elf, and I'm also a happy elf at all.